Hello guys, review smartphone ZTE Blade V40 Pro. This version, we have version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot. On this we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable, and on this we have adapter for charging. Okay, adapter for charging with fast charge. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera, on the front side display. Display we have 6.7 inch, almost 6.7 inch. On this side power button and volume buttons. On this side without controls, upside without controls, downside Type-C port, speaker for speaker, headphones, with a device without headphones jack. On the downside we have only Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card, speaker and micro and microphone. Turn on device, we have display AMOLED Full HD resolution. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have CPU Unisoc Tiger T618, octa-core processor, and GPU Mali G52. Results and GPU test results. Close this. Look into the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay, and run the money game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level works perfect. Good gameplay, without lags and glitches. Okay, close. GTA San Andreas and open camera. I show photos on the main camera, 64 plus 5 plus 2 megapixels.